Hello, my beautiful subscriber. How are you all? Hope you are fine. A delight welcome to my amazing channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, this is our YouTube channel and we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today, with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of lining, bodycon dresses and midi dresses for lovely women. My dear viewers, these bodycon dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, these dresses are very comfortable, elegant and easy to wear and brilliantly created keeping in mind. So friends and my lovely viewers, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section, so next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So my dear friends, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you can never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. So friends and viewers, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country, and you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you loved it. Take a good care of yourself. Love you all guys.